I think you forgot about something.
Welcome to GainsMedia.com. We are a diverse digital media organization. Gainz Media presents the Rob Diddy Technology Review.
So honestly, as I've been busy and doing other stuff, I came to the realization I screwed up my first Kodak AZ528 video, and I left a huge blank spot in it. So I'll run down really quick why I love this camera, and also while you're watching this video, you'll see actual pics that I've taken with it. I feel there's no better way to do the justice for this camera than to show you some of the long distance photos I took at the park. The zoom on this camera is incredible. I've taken photos of piles of rocks. I've been able to pick off single rocks in a pile about a quarter-mile away. Check this out. You're going to love it. If I was you, I would highly recommend buying this camera. I did an earlier video and it got a lot of views, which means people actually care about this camera. For $200, 1080p quality, and without a shadow of a doubt, the best app control ever. It is so much better than the Casio 4. It is better than the Fuji FinePix. Thanks, guys.